Students, last period we learnt what? After seeing occurs carefree life and movements, the speaker wants to be free to do what he wants and go where he wants to without any restrictions. Okay, now let's see next stanza. Okay, page number 27. Page number 27. See next stanza. When at 4 in the afternoon, I come back from the school. Okay, now boy comes back from school at 4 in the afternoon. At 4 in the afternoon, the boy comes back from the school. Is that clear? When at 4 in the afternoon, I come back from the school. I means here small child, 7 or 8 years old, boy or girl, okay, speaker of this poem. Okay, I can see through the gate that house, the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with this spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging, just as it, no, till digging, okay? Nobody to stop me from digging, second stanza, till digging, okay? Now, see here. He sees the gardener digging the ground. Okay, I can see through the gate that house, the gardener digging the ground. Okay, in the nearby house, that means in the nearby house where speaker lived. Okay, there only nearby house, gardener keep on digging the ground. Okay, the gardener does what he wants to with his spade. Gardener does what he wants with his spade. Okay, no one scolds him if he gets his clothes soiled. No one scolds him if he gets his clothes soiled. Okay, or he gets baked in the sun. He gets baked in the sun. Here takes him to task. That means scolds and corrects. Nobody scolds or corrects him. Okay, if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. Okay, see, he gets baked in the sun or gets wet after seeing his free life, carefree life. Okay, whose life? Gardener's life. Keep on digging. No one scolds him even if he baked or become wet or soiled his clothes. That time, now again that child's imagination, I wish means here 7 or 8 years child. Okay, that time he wish means speaker of this poem. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Okay, that time the boy wishes to be a gardener digging away in the garden with no one to stop him. No one to stop him. Okay, he wants free life. Okay, how gardener enjoys his freedom of movement, so child also wishes to become a gardener. Okay, second stanza. Now see here, one question given. Who is scolded if he gets dirty? Who is scolded if he gets dirty? Here, the narrator or the speaker. Okay, scolded if he gets dirty. His mother scolded him if he gets dirty. Okay, now see next. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Okay, now in the evening, just as it gets dark, the boy's mother sends him where? Boy's mother sends him to bed. Go to bed. Okay? Go and sleep. Like that. Okay? I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. Okay? That time the boy's mother sends him to bed. That time through the open window. Through the open window, he can see the watchman walking up and down in the dark and lonely street. See, the lane is dark and lonely. Why? Night time, not so. Okay? Night time. And the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Okay? Actually here, the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The street lamp is here directly compared to a giant with one red eye in the head. Okay? Which figure of speech? Simile. Okay? Using the word like. Here, poet used figure of speech, simile, using the word like. Okay? Here, the street lamp is directly compared to a giant with one red eye in the head. Is that clear? And same line personification also. Okay? The street lamp is personified and given the human quality of standing. Is that clear? Simile as well as personification. Okay? Now see, next line. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. Okay? Now, see, listen. The watchman swings his lantern as he walks. Okay? While walking, he swings his lantern. That means his shadow beside him, his shadow also follows him. The boy thinks, that time see, the watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once go to bed in his life. Okay? No sleeping, nothing. Keep on walking. Where the lane is dark and lonely. No? That time, small child, 7 or 8 years old, small child means here speaker, I wish, that time speaker wish, I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. Here chasing the shadow means following an imaginary goal or target. Okay? See, that time the boys, here see, the boy thinks he never goes to bed in his life. He wishes he could be a watchman so that he could walk freely at night. He wants carefree life. The boy also wants carefree life like a watchman. Okay? Walk freely at night, whole night. He don't want to sleep. That means, okay? Chasing away all the shadows with the light of his lantern. His lantern, holding lantern, and he want to chase away all the shadows with the light at his lantern. Okay? From boy's wishes, we can see the boy's longing for complete freedom. He wants to lead a carefree life. Okay? This all. First, hawker, you want to become hawker. Second, you want to become gardener. And third, you want to become watchman. This all shows what? The boy is longing for complete freedom. He wants to lead a carefree life. He wants to enjoy. Okay? All. Whatever it is. Okay? You want to become. So, you want to become what? He wants to become hawker or gardener or watchman. See, one more figure of speech. Watchman walking up and down. Watchman walking up and down. Here figure of speech, antithesis. Okay, here two opposite word, up and down, we can see in the same sentence. So figure of speech, antithesis. And one more question here given. See, what accompanies the watchman? What accompanies the watchman? Okay, what? The watchman accompanies by his lantern and his shadow. Okay, the watchman accompanies by his lantern and his shadow. Okay, now page number, next page. Page number 28. Page number 28. See here, workshop given. Workshop. Which of the following words or phrases match in meaning to the underlined ones? Okay, already I explained. Then also see, nobody takes him to task. That means what? Scolds and corrects. Okay, scolds and corrects, this option. Okay. Second, dash if he gets baked in the sun. That means baked in the sun means what? Exposed to heat. And dash chasing the shadows with my lantern means following imaginary goals. Option E, following imaginary goals. And the lane is dark and lonely. That means what? Deserted. Dark and lonely means deserted. No one will be there. That means he soils his clothes with dust. That means dirt is the clothing. Okay, that means dirt is the clothing. Option C. And one more. There is no road he must take. That means no particular route. No particular route. This one answer. Okay, this all homework you write. Okay, see words from here and you fill this. Okay, and see one more question here given. Read the poem and fill in the table. Okay, actually morning where in the lane. Okay, first morning. Then poet's activity going to school, and Hawker's activity is selling bangles. Okay, and see afternoon here, location where? Garden. Okay, near the poet's house, garden location. And poet's activity what? Coming home from school. Coming home from school. And here no occur activities. Here gardener's activity. Okay, digging the ground. Digging the ground. And night, street. Location where? Street. And here what? Watching the watchman from his bed or through the window. Okay, and here what? Watchman's activity, walking up and down the street and swinging his lantern. That watchman's activity. Okay, we will continue on tomorrow.